Hello, welcome to my e-tutoring system. This system is part of my MIS 6070 course for my master's degree in information systems and technology at USIU Africa. This course is taken through by Dr. El Deru. I'm a student Ian Bogo presenting this e-tutoring system as part of my coursework. This system I did it using PHP and Javascript for some of the forms, and also using HTML5 so that it can render on any device. It's mobile friendly. It can render on mobile friendly on any mobile device, as you can see. And as we start, I will also demonstrate that. So I'm hosting it on a rented space on the cloud at Raya Host. They gave me this folder, e-tutoring. So this is where I have hosted my system. So I'll take you through to show you the functionalities, and without much further ado, let me begin. I am going to log in as the administrator. Admin is the apex of this system. So as an admin, I have all the rights and all the roles. There we go. I've logged in as admin. I can see the students who are registered, all of them. I can see the tutors that are on the system, and I can see the staff, those are on the system. So as an admin, I can also add users. So I'll go ahead and create a user. I'll create a user by the name registrar. First of all, we have 3 fields for the user to register: their email address, their username, and also the password that we'll be using. So I'll use registrar at usiu.ac.ke, and the username I can call him registrar 2, since I already have another registrar. And their password, the password is hidden so you cannot see, and the role will be admin. So that way now I can add the user. So this is admin, so I need to log out as the admin so that I can demonstrate to you the other functionalities for this system. This system is designed for e-tutoring for a large university. So we could have students, and students, they can create the account on their own. So I'll demonstrate how a student can create an account on their own. So first of all, I'm gonna log out. Yeah, now let me create an account for the user. I'm gonna call this user Hesbon at usiu.ca, and their username will be their full name, Hesbon Kimani, and their password they can allocate themselves, and it's hidden, and their role will be a student. So you can see you have successfully registered. You may log in now. I can as well register a tutor. Let's create an account for a tutor. So we have Paris at usiu.ac.ke, and the name is Dr. Paris. This is account for tutor, Dr. Paris can you, and their password. And their role is the tutor, so they can register. So, well, I want to demonstrate to you that the student can be allocated tutor, because that is part of the requirement for this system. So I will log in as a registrar, because only the key staff, those can allocate roles. So I registered registrar 2. And the password is there. It is incorrect. This demonstrates that this system is working, because if I put wrong password, it is not gonna go in. So earlier on I had created the registrar, and I have their password here with me. Yeah, there we go. Registrar as logged in. Now registrar is part of the staff, and what I want to demonstrate is that registrar is able to allocate students to the tutor. So I'll come to the tutor, the new tutor that we created. We have Dr. Paris Kanu. He has 0 students. So what I am gonna do is I will allocate students to Dr. Paris Kanu. So as a registrar, I'm able to allocate students. Remember, we created a student by the name Hesbon. So I will allocate Dr. Paris Kanu a student. You see, it is successful. So Dr. Paris Kanu has 1 student allocated. Also, the system can allocate large number of students at once. That was part of the requirement for this project, and I can select several students. I'll go ahead and select these are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 thereabout students. So I can allocate all of them, excluding Esbon, whom we had already allocated. I can allocate to all of them, and I've made the system to use control select. So now I've allocated all these students to Dr. Paris. So that is part of the staff for this system. So now I'm done with demonstrating allocation of students. Let's go ahead and see what a student can do. So I will log out, and I will use this student to log in and see what is all for them, what is in for them. Now a student can come to the system, and they log in, and they use their password, their allocated password. Remember, if you put the wrong password, for instance, it's not gonna go in. So the system is secure. So you must use the correct password. That is what I want to demonstrate. So the password for Sophia Erimu, it has gone through. Now it tells you, "Hi Sophia Erimu, welcome to your tutoring. You are a student, and your tutor is Dr. Paris Kanu." Now remember, part of the system was that a student can post a blog. So the student can post a blog, and there are some blogs that I want to post. No blogs, pages are not blog. So I want to demonstrate how to post a blog on this system. You're gonna use the heading, that is my blog. That is the heading there, and I can go ahead and type whatever I want. My first blog on my university blog. There we go. So now we can go ahead and post now. And voila, the system is able to do the blog. So this is one of the blog by the student. And also part of the system requirement was that the student can message their tutor. So I will create a message and I'll send it to my tutor. So I'll come here and message to my tutor, and my tutor is Dr. Perez Kanu, so I can send them the message. Dear Dr. Perez, are we still doing the presentation today? So now I can easily message my tutor just within the system, so I can send it. Here we are. And remember, I told you that I needed to demonstrate that this system is mobile friendly. So if I'm gonna restore it down, it works well, it renders well to any size of the screen, whether it is large or whether it is. And we also have some CSS effect here to make it look nice. Now I'm done with demonstrating the role for student on this system. I will go ahead and demonstrate the role for the lecturer. So the lecturer or the tutor must log in with their full names. Here Perez Kanu, and I created for them the password. I hope I remember it. Oh yeah, good. Now the role for this person who has logged in is the tutor. The role for the person who has logged in is the tutor, and you can see the allotted student. He has all the 6 students, and you can also see the messages in the past 7 days. That is one message, and that is the message that we are about to see it here. And this is the message that it came from Sophia Erimu. Remember, we've just shown how the student messaged the tutor, and now even the tutor can reply back to the student, and they say yes, presentation to be done today, presentations to be done today. Okay, and we can set it so that message has gone, as well as the statistics. We are seeing the messages in the past 7 days. There are 2 for this lecturer, so I wanna close this screencast by saying that this is the system that I developed according to the specifications that were done. Thank you very much for giving me this opportunity to demonstrate to you, and I wish you a merry and happy new year. Thank you all.